Hey guys, what's up? This is JRP77 from SaveGame Games, and I know what you guys may be thinking. Holy crap, JRP77 has made 2 videos in 2 days. As a matter of fact, there is a special occasion. And it's because right now on the Unity Asset Store, the Black Friday sale is going on. There are a ton of assets on right now. I think it's like 60 assets that are 50% off. Now, if you're looking to get into game development, you just need some way to get up off the ground, this is a great way to do it. It's for these Unity asset sales because they have tons of models, tools, scripts, all that kind of stuff on sale, and it's a really easy way to start prototyping or just start working on your own game or anything like that. So definitely look at the sale using the link in the description below. It'll be the first link. It'll just be all the items on sale right now. But naturally, I went out and I bought a couple of assets that I think I'm going to be using in VGSS, in my own projects, in tutorials, etc. And so I like to share those with you guys now because I think they're on a really good deal right now. So the first one is called Volumetric Light Beam. Now this seems pretty basic, but I'm not very good with lighting. I'm good with scripting and I'm good with basic game design, but other than that, I'm not very good at lighting, much less making volumetric lights. But as the name says, Volumetric Light Beam allows you to create funnels of light that have like a foggy effect. So let's say that you're making a street lamp that's on the corner of a foggy street. Well, all you have to do is just go into Unity, drag and drop the object in, and boom, set the direction, and it will do it for you. It's an awesome tool. It's pretty straightforward, and I'm looking forward to actually going in and looking at this a little bit more, maybe making a tutorial using it. I don't know yet. But it does allow you to create realistic volumetric lighting effects with no hassle, and allows you to not only do it on PC, but it actually works really well on mobile and VR or anything like that. I'm pretty sure it's $10 off right now, and it's normally $20, so definitely go check that out and pick it up using the link in the description. There's going to be lots of links in the description for this video if you can't tell. And the second one I picked up was SaveGame Pro. Now this is something that I've been looking for a while because I need a way to save VGSS. Well, luckily there's SaveGame Pro. Now they do have a free version, but I'm looking at this Pro version because they also have the ability to save in the cloud, which is what I want to be able to do. SaveGame Pro is just a really powerful tool for saving your game. It supports tons of objects. They've got tons of cool features, and I'm 100% going to be using this asset with VGSS because this is how I'm going to be using it to save my actual project. Now there are individual assets that are on sale, but one thing that Unity's doing this year is they're doing bundles, and I think they've done this in the past, but I just think these bundles are so cool. There's world building, ultimate characters, quick prototyping, and essentials for professionals. So to start off, world building allows you to have all these awesome rock and terrain assets so that you can start working on worlds in your game. And this is a perfect package to just get you up off the ground and get you started making your game rather than focused on making assets for your game. Now, world building is $330 regularly, but if you get it within the next week, it's only $150. Second is ultimate characters. Now, one thing that I struggle with is actually setting up my character, whether it be making a model or with rigging it or animating it. Luckily, this bundle has all the tools for that. It has tools for rigging, input control, behavior trees, AI, all that jazz, and it's also $150 on sale from $330. The third one is quick prototyping. This allows you to not just focus on the art for your game, but it allows you to kind of get up off the ground when working on your game. It comes with Playmaker, it comes with tons of features with particle effects pre-generated, all kinds of stuff that can help you get a prototype out so that then you can start working on your own assets after you have a basic prototype. And again, this bundle is $150 too, so it's a steal. And the fourth and final one is Essentials for Professionals. This one is for people who just need to improve their workflow that much more. It comes with a lot of time-saving stuff so that you could focus more on making your game and less on the art, the coding, all that stuff, and you can just focus on bug fixing. It also includes tools for custom inspectors, improved console, a new hierarchy, all kinds of things that can help you improve your workflow and organize your content more. This is really helpful when making really big games that have a lot of things in a hierarchy. Because you might have 6 or 7 objects named one thing, and you need a color code or some other organization method so that you can organize everything. Now, normally all of these bundles cost around $300, but if you get it in the next week, minus tax, these cost around $150. And I've linked everything I've talked about today in the description below so that you can go check it out and maybe pick up some of these assets for your own. That's basically it for the Black Friday sale. That's what I found notable, and that's also some of the bigger deals. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video sucked, then you know what to do, but if it didn't, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Don't forget to check out our website, social media, and merch, as well as our community Discord server. All of those links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.